In today's fast-paced media landscape, entertainment shorts have carved out a niche that captivates audiences everywhere. These quick and engaging formats allow creators to tease upcoming movies, providing sneak peeks that build excitement. Behind-the-scenes glimpses offer fans an intimate look at their favorite films, revealing the creativity that goes into making them. Some creators focus on skits or parodies that cleverly incorporate humor and pop culture moments, effectively drawing viewers in. The potential for these shorts to go viral hinges on their ability to tap into trending topics and references that resonate with the audience. In a world where attention spans are fleeting, entertainment shorts are becoming the cornerstone of modern media engagement.